Welcome to St Budeaux station. Train just leaving. Can't see it. Station 1 of 2 on the Gunnis Lake Tamar Valley line. A less used line, which takes you between Devon and Cornwall over the Tamar Viaduct, which I think is stunning. Hopefully be able to see that in a bit on my cow stock video if you want to watch that. There is a direction of travel sign. This is referred to as platform gun on the departure board, which I thought was quite funny. This station has a help point. There's some lovely Tamar Valley line poster holders, if you want to call them that. I think it's lovely. Got the station sign here. It's getting a Cornwall pay as you go, which I didn't expect. I guess it does go to Cornwall, this line. So yeah. There's a waiting shelter. Bus up there. Stagecoach 19278. I realise stagecoach came here. Here's where the no signal section starts. So you have to obtain the staff or token, as it's called elsewhere. However, I'm not sure if that sign's up to date, as there is an AWS ramp there. But that might be for that signal. I'm not sure. Nice slate there. I do like the slate. That's a nice touch. I imagine that over there used to be perhaps another platform. Probably a long time ago. But now it's only single track. Well, as my train arrives, I thank you very much for watching this video here at St Budeaux, Victoria Road. And I'll see you very, very soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye for now from me.